In this tutorial, I'll show you how to animate subtitles in Premiere Pro. Alright, let's start by creating our captions. Go to the Captions and Graphics interface, open the text menu, and click on Create Captions from Transcript. Now that our captions are created, let's position them in the center of the screen. Increase the size a little bit, and maybe add some shadow to make them stand out. As you can see, the captions are currently orange on the timeline, but if we select them and then go to the Effects panel, and try to apply the pop-up text preset, for example, you can see that Premiere does not allow us to do that. So how do we fix it? Well, first select the captions and then go to the Graphics and Titles menu and click on Upgrade Caption to Graphic. As you can see, the captions have now changed from orange to purple. This means that they have been converted into regular graphic text layers, which allows us to apply animations and presets onto them. Now we can simply select them and apply the pop-up text preset. And as you can see, the animation has been applied smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.